Hello guys, good morning. These two pieces of stone, this is not actually ordinary stone. This is black petrified wood. Black petrified wood. This is wood before and turning into stone by million years of process by nature. Because of become a stone because of the many elements, carbon, manganese, iron. So this is the result. The wood becomes stone in million years of processing by nature. Isa po itong dating kahoy na nagiging bato. Ayan o. Oh. Millions of years guys bago siya magiging kahoy. Ang proseso ng nature. Black petrified wood. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.